Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we have a detailed conversation about online shopping versus traditional shopping. You will learn useful vocabulary, practice natural English sentences, and gain confidence discussing shopping habits, preferences, and experiences in real life. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with friends, and leave a comment about your favorite way to shop. Let's begin. Hi James, I've been shopping a lot online recently.
Hi Lily, online shopping is very convenient, but traditional shopping also has its advantages.
I love buying clothes online because I can browse many stores at once.
That's true. Online stores offer variety and you can compare prices easily without leaving home.
But sometimes the clothes I order don't fit properly.
That's one downside. With traditional shopping, you can try items before buying to ensure the right size.
I often read reviews online before making a purchase.
Reviews are helpful because they provide real experiences from other buyers and help avoid mistakes.
I like how online shopping saves time.
Absolutely, you don't have to travel, wait in lines, or deal with crowds, which is great for busy schedules.
But I miss seeing and feeling products in person.
That's an advantage of traditional shopping. You can touch, smell, or test items before buying.
I sometimes worry about online payments.
Security is important. Make sure to use trusted websites, secure payment methods, and avoid public Wi-Fi.
I also enjoy the discounts and deals online.
Online stores often have sales, coupons, and flash deals that make shopping cheaper.
But returning items online can be complicated.
Yes, returning products can take time and sometimes cost extra, unlike returning items in a store immediately.
I often find unique products online that I can't get in stores.
That's a big advantage. Many small businesses sell unique or handmade items exclusively online.
I enjoy shopping in physical stores because of the experience.
Shopping in stores can be fun. You can see displays, try products, and enjoy the atmosphere.
I sometimes buy groceries online too.
Online grocery shopping is convenient, but fresh produce may not always meet your expectations compared to choosing in person.
I like how online shopping is available 24/7.
That's very convenient. You can shop anytime, even late at night or during holidays.
But I also enjoy spontaneous shopping trips.
Traditional shopping allows for spontaneous discoveries and immediate gratification.
I sometimes buy too many things online.
That can happen because the ease of clicking buy makes it tempting to purchase more than planned.
I like reading product descriptions online.
Detailed descriptions help you understand materials, sizes, and features before making a choice.
I often compare prices on different websites.
That's a benefit of online shopping. You can easily find the best deal without visiting multiple stores.
I sometimes miss the social interaction of shopping with friends.
Shopping in stores is often a social activity. You can talk, laugh, and enjoy the experience together.
I like getting recommendations from store staff.
That's another advantage of traditional shopping. Experts can give advice based on your needs and preferences.
I sometimes worry about delivery delays.
Shipping can take time, especially during holidays or sales, which is less of an issue in stores.
I enjoy online shopping because I can read comparisons easily.
Comparison websites and filters make it easy to find the best option without spending hours in stores.
I sometimes prefer traditional stores for electronics.
That's smart because you can test devices, ask questions, and get immediate technical advice.
I like the convenience of having items delivered to my door.
Delivery saves time and effort, especially for heavy or bulky items.
But I enjoy window shopping too.
Walking through stores and seeing products can be enjoyable and inspire future purchases.
I sometimes find it hard to judge colors and textures online.
That's true. Physical stores let you see real colors, materials, and quality more accurately.
I enjoy reading online reviews to avoid bad products.
Reviews can be very informative, especially when multiple people report similar experiences.
I sometimes spend hours browsing online without buying anything.
That happens because online stores are designed to capture attention and make browsing easy.
I like the idea of subscription boxes online.
Subscription services deliver curated items regularly, which can be exciting and convenient.
But traditional shopping lets me return things instantly.
Yes, immediate returns and exchanges are easier in stores than dealing with shipping.
I often look for free shipping online.
Free shipping is a big advantage, but sometimes it comes with minimum purchase requirements.
I like the variety of payment options online.
Credit cards, digital wallets, and installment plans make online shopping flexible and convenient.
I sometimes enjoy shopping as a leisure activity.
For many people, traditional shopping is an experience that goes beyond just buying products.
I like online shopping during bad weather.
That's a good point. Rain, snow, or extreme heat can make online shopping much more appealing.
I enjoy special in-store promotions.
Physical stores often have in-store only deals, which can be exciting and rewarding.
I sometimes feel overwhelmed by too many online options.
Choice overload can happen online, which makes decision-making stressful sometimes.
I like personalized recommendations online.
Algorithms often suggest products based on your past purchases, which can save time.
I sometimes feel impatient waiting for online orders.
Waiting for delivery can be frustrating compared to walking out of a store with your purchase immediately.
I enjoy bargain hunting online.
Comparison websites and flash sales make finding discounts easier than in physical stores.
But I like seeing holiday decorations in stores.
Seasonal displays and in-store experiences create excitement that online shopping can't fully replicate.
I sometimes get free gifts with online purchases.
Many online stores offer bonuses or loyalty rewards, which can make shopping more appealing.
I often read product specifications carefully online.
Detailed information online helps you make informed decisions without relying on staff.
I enjoy trying new products in stores before buying.
Sampling products like food, cosmetics, or electronics is a unique benefit of physical.
Sampling products like food, cosmetics, or electronics is a unique benefit of physical.
Sampling products like food, cosmetics, or electronics is a unique benefit of physical.
I like online customer service chat options.
Online support is convenient and available anytime, which can help with questions and problems.
I sometimes feel that shipping costs are high.
Yes, delivery fees can add up, but free shipping or bulk orders often reduce costs.
I enjoy checking out online deals during sales seasons.
Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and seasonal sales online often have better discounts than physical stores.
I sometimes prefer seeing product colors in person.
That's one of the advantages of traditional shopping because photos online can be misleading.
I like online shopping for international products.
You can buy items from other countries easily without traveling, which is impossible in local stores.
I sometimes feel shopping online is addictive.
Yes, the convenience and variety can encourage impulsive purchases.
I enjoy the ease of price comparison online.
Online tools make it simple to find the best price without visiting multiple stores.
I sometimes like shopping for gifts in stores.
Physical stores allow you to see, feel, and wrap gifts immediately, which adds to the experience.
I like the ability to shop internationally online without leaving home.
That's true, and it's especially helpful for rare items that aren't available locally.
I sometimes miss the immediate satisfaction of taking products home.
With traditional shopping, you can buy and use products immediately, which feels rewarding.
I enjoy checking reviews and ratings online before making expensive purchases.
That's smart because it reduces the risk of disappointment with quality or functionality.
I sometimes feel that online shopping makes me buy things I don't really need.
That happens because targeted ads and recommendations can encourage impulse purchases.
I like the convenience of returning items by mail.
Although convenient, returns online can take time, unlike instant exchanges in stores.
I enjoy browsing online stores while relaxing at home.
Online shopping is comfortable because you don't have to go out or deal with crowds.
I sometimes find that the product images online are misleading.
That's true, and checking reviews or specifications helps, but seeing it in person is often best.
I like traditional stores for trying on clothes and shoes.
Fitting items before buying reduces the hassle of returns and ensures the right choice.
I sometimes feel that online shopping encourages overspending.
The convenience and deals can make it tempting, so budgeting and planning are important.
I enjoy looking for unique handmade products online.
Online marketplaces allow small creators to sell products that you can't find in regular stores.
I sometimes feel that in-store shopping takes too much time.
True, but the experience and immediate satisfaction often make it worthwhile.
I like checking delivery tracking online for my orders.
Tracking provides reassurance and helps plan for package arrivals.
I sometimes feel overwhelmed by online advertisements.
That's normal. Too many pop-ups or emails can be distracting, so using ad blockers or unsubscribing helps.
I enjoy window shopping in physical stores for inspiration.
Seeing products in person can give new ideas and encourage thoughtful purchases.
I sometimes prefer online shopping for big-ticket items.
You can research, compare prices, and read reviews thoroughly before making an expensive decision.
I like the convenience of online subscriptions for regular products.
Automatic deliveries save time and ensure you don't run out of essentials.
I sometimes miss the excitement of holiday shopping in stores.
Stores often create festive atmospheres that enhance the shopping experience.
I enjoy online loyalty programs and reward points.
Those programs can save money and encourage repeat purchases, which is a great perk.
I sometimes find it difficult to return clothes bought online.
Returns are often slower and require packaging and shipping, unlike immediate returns in stores.
I like the ability to shop anytime online, even at night.
That flexibility is one of the biggest advantages over traditional stores with fixed hours.
I sometimes feel lost in physical stores with too many options.
That's true. Online filters and search tools make it easier to narrow down choices.
I enjoy seeing product demos in stores.
Demonstrations help understand features, quality, and functionality firsthand.
I enjoy seeing product demos in stores.
Physical stores often provide instant bonuses, which can be enjoyable and rewarding.
I like online shopping because I can avoid crowded malls.
That's a big advantage, especially during holidays or peak shopping times.
I sometimes enjoy the browsing experience in bookstores or electronic stores.
Walking through aisles and exploring products can be fun and inspiring.
I like receiving notifications for online sales.
Alerts for deals help you save money and get items before they sell out.
I sometimes find it difficult to know the quality of fabrics online.
That's why reviews, detailed photos, and materials descriptions are crucial.
I enjoy comparing different models and brands online.
Online comparison tools save time and help you make informed decisions.
I sometimes feel impatient waiting for shipping.
Delivery times can be frustrating, especially if the item is urgent.
I like visiting local markets and seeing handmade products.
Traditional shopping connects you with local artisans and unique finds.
I sometimes worry about online scams or fraud.
Using verified websites, secure payments, and trusted sellers reduces risk.
I enjoy online reviews with photos and videos.
Visual feedback from other customers often provides realistic expectations.
I sometimes miss the excitement of bargain hunting in stores.
Physical stores often have clearance racks or special discounts that can be thrilling.
I like online shopping because I can avoid parking and traffic.
That convenience saves time, energy, and frustration compared to going to busy malls.
I sometimes enjoy shopping in specialty stores for advice and recommendations.
Experts in stores can provide guidance that online tools may not fully replace.
I like online shopping for repeat purchases of essentials.
Automatic deliveries or saved preferences make it efficient and time-saving.
I sometimes feel that traditional shopping encourages spontaneous purchases.
Walking through stores and seeing displays often leads to unplanned but enjoyable buys.
I enjoy reading blogs and forums before buying online.
Community advice and experiences help make better decisions.
I sometimes feel overwhelmed by too many online options.
Using filters, categories, and recommendations helps reduce choice overload.
I like testing beauty products in stores.
Trying before buying ensures satisfaction and reduces returns.
I sometimes miss the excitement of shopping festivals.
Physical stores often decorate, host events, and offer interactive experiences.
I like online subscription services for convenience.
Regular deliveries for essentials or curated items make life easier.
I sometimes find the checkout process online confusing.
Most websites have clear steps, but always double-check orders before confirming.
I enjoy exploring new products in stores.
Seeing, touching, and testing helps discover items you might not find online.
I sometimes feel that online shopping is too easy and addictive.
The convenience can lead to overbuying, so budgeting is important.
I like reading customer ratings and reviews.
That information can prevent bad purchases and help you choose the best product.
I sometimes feel that in-store shopping is tiring.
Walking, browsing, and carrying items can be exhausting, but also satisfying for some.
I enjoy online promotions and flash deals.
These limited-time offers create excitement and save money efficiently.
I sometimes feel disconnected from online stores if customer service is slow.
Reliable online support is essential to resolve issues and build trust.
I like checking for warranty or return policies online.
Reading terms carefully ensures protection and avoids future problems.
I sometimes find it hard to judge the size of products online.
Checking dimensions and comparing with similar items at home helps reduce mistakes.
I enjoy visiting local markets for fresh food.
Choosing produce in person guarantees quality and freshness.
I sometimes like online marketplaces for rare items.
You can find items worldwide that may not be available locally.
I enjoy visiting local markets for fresh food.
Hands-on demonstrations help understand features and usability.
I sometimes worry about shipping delays during holidays.
Ordering early or choosing express shipping helps avoid frustration.
I like exploring new stores and discovering trends.
Traditional shopping exposes you to products you might not search for online.
I sometimes enjoy online chat support for product questions.
Immediate answers online can be faster than waiting for in-store assistance.
I like reading user experiences online.
Feedback helps you make informed choices without risking disappointment.
I sometimes miss interacting with store staff.
Personal recommendations can provide insights that reviews alone can't give.
Personal recommendations can provide insights that reviews alone can't give.
Price comparison tools save time and money, making shopping efficient.
I sometimes find in-store shopping stressful during sales.
Crowds and lines can be exhausting, which makes online shopping more relaxing.
I like online tracking for order status.
Seeing the progress of your shipment reduces anxiety and improves planning.
I sometimes feel overwhelmed by online options.
Using categories, filters, and wish lists helps manage choices effectively.
I enjoy checking for eco-friendly products online.
Many online stores provide sustainability information, which may be harder to find in stores.
I sometimes feel impatient waiting for delivery.
That's why express shipping is helpful, although it can cost more.
I like discovering local brands in stores.
Supporting local businesses through traditional shopping helps the community and economy.
I sometimes enjoy online unboxing experiences.
Receiving packages at home can feel exciting, especially with curated products.
I like combining online and in-store shopping.
That's the best approach. Use online convenience and in-store experience when needed.
I sometimes feel that traditional stores provide better customer support.
Face-to-face assistance can be more personalized and faster than online options.
Thanks, James. I now understand the pros and cons of both online and traditional shopping.
You're welcome, Lily. By combining both methods wisely, you can enjoy convenience, quality, and great experiences.